Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what's available. Make sure your phone contacts are synced to Google or iCloud and that WhatsApp backup exists. Once done, confirm WhatsApp has contacts permission so it can read saved numbers. Also check the backup date and whether it's on Google Drive, iCloud, or only local storage. This decides your restore method. If you haven't backed up recently, make a manual backup now to avoid further loss. Proceed by restoring the backup. Uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it. When prompted, choose Restore from Backup. For Android, you can also use local files in /WhatsApp/databases. Rename an older MSG store. DB. Crypt file to force a specific restore. For iPhone, make sure you're on the same phone number and Apple ID tied to the iCloud backup. Once the restore completes, WhatsApp will repopulate chat. Finish by refreshing and syncing contacts. Open WhatsApp contact settings and refresh, then force a phone contact sync so names appear. If some contacts are missing, import a VCF backup or manually re-add numbers you have. Also check Google Contacts trash or your phone's hidden/blocked lists for recently deleted entries. Troubleshooting tip: if no backup exists, contact the person directly or check other devices. Avoid third-party recovery tools unless you trust the provider, because they risk data exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.